Hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying the goodness of fruits with us. Friends, this is 8th video in series of fruits and 43 more videos are about to come one by one. So keep watching and enjoying with us. Before we move forward, please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, please click on the like button and forward this to your family and friends. Friends, the fruit of today's video is cherry moya, that is commonly called custard apple or sweet apple in English, and in Hindi sharifa or sitafal. Custard apple is a common name for a fruit and the tree that bears it, Annona reticulata. Do you know why cherry moya fruit is called custard apple in English and sitafal in Hindi? I will let you know many interesting facts about this fruit. The fruits vary in shape. When ripe, the fruit is brown or yellowish with red highlights. The flesh varies from juicy and aromatic to hard and astringent taste. The flavor is sweet and pleasant. The custard apple is believed to be a native of the West Indies, but it was carried in early times through Central America to southern Mexico. It has long been cultivated and naturalized as far south as Peru and Brazil. California is the largest custard apple producer in the United States. The juice of an unripe custard apple is applied to cure infected insect bites in the Philippines. The powdered seeds, leaves, and young fruits are used as fish poison and an insecticide. The leaf juice kills lice. Nutritional value and health benefits. It is a delicious fruit which is good for your skin, hair, eyesight, brain, and hemoglobin levels. Custard apple is rich in the carotenoid antioxidant lutein, one of the main antioxidants in your eyes that maintain healthy vision by fighting free radicals. Custard apples are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Custard apple is loaded with antioxidants which fight free radicals in your body. High levels of free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is associated with many chronic illnesses including cancer and heart disease. Custard apple is also helpful in reducing inflammation. Custard apple is high in nutrients that help regulate blood pressure such as potassium and magnesium. Custard apple is also helpful in good digestion. One study told that this fruit has anti-cancerous property, have anti-inflammatory property, and improves immunity too. Custard apple is an excellent source of vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine. In fact, 1 cup, that is 160 grams of the fruit contains 24% of the reference daily intake. Custard apples are excellent source of vitamin C, with 1 serve containing 64.5 milligram. Vitamin C helps keep your immune system in good shape and fights free radicals. Custard apples are a source of dietary fiber necessary for digestive well-being. 1 cup of custard apple offers almost 5 grams of dietary fiber, which is over 17% of the RDI, that means reference daily intake. Muscle magic. Custard apples contain potassium, which is responsible for normal fluid and electrolyte balance. They are also a source of magnesium, which is important for normal nerve and muscle function and can help reduce tiredness and fatigue. Custard apples are low GI food, making them a great choice for the weight conscious. Lower GI food can help keep you fuller for longer and are appealing in the cooler months. There are some dishes those can be made using custard apples as custard apple milkshake, custard apple basundi, custard apple firni, custard apple rabri, custard apple ice cream, custard apple kalakand, and sharife ki kheer. Friends, there are many myths related to custard apple. So it's important to know those myths and real facts about this fruit. Number 1. People with diabetes should avoid custard apple. Custard apple is a fruit with glycemic index of 54. that is not only safe for diabetic but also recommended for them as food for people with diabetes. Number 2. Heart patients should avoid custard apple. The truth is that custard apple can in fact be beneficial for people with diabetes. It contains beneficial minerals like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. For a healthy heart and circulatory system, this fruit should be a part of your diet. Number 3. Custard apple add weight. The myth here is that people who are overweight are of the belief that they should avoid this fruit. But the reality is that custard apple is good for digestion and can reduce bloating. It can also prevent acidity and healing ulcers. Custard apple is good source of vitamin B complex, especially vitamin B6. Myth number 4. Women with PCOD should avoid custard apple. This is another popular myth about custard apple. But women with PCOD can have custard apple as it is good source of iron. It can improve fertility, reduce feeling of tiredness, and cut down irritability. Now, it's turn of the pending question that why cherimoya fruit is called custard apple in English. Due to its creamy texture, cherimoya fruit is also known as custard apple. It's often eaten with a spoon and served chilled like custard. Custard apple has a sweet taste similar to other tropical fruits such as banana and pineapple. Now the another question that why the cherimoya fruit called sitafal in India. It is believed that this word came from the language Sanskrit words sheath, meaning cold, and fal, which of course means fruit, as it is known to cool the body. The regular use made sheath fal to sitafal. So friends, these are all the interesting facts about the custard apple, those we would be able to collect from different resources. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, now it's time to click on the like button and share this video with your family and friends. If you are new to our channel, click on the subscribe button and view our previous informative videos also to know more interesting facts about different fruits. For getting more videos, subscribe to our channel and enjoy the goodness of fruits with us. Friends, thanks a lot for your continuous support. We will come back with more interesting informations. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.